Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva for beginners. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on the link in the description and then you need to open Canva. So then you need to create your account and this is the Canva interface. And let's suppose you want to create logo. Click on here, logo, and you can see gaming logo, clothing logo, technology logo. So you need a simple technology logo. Click on that, and here you can see a different templates that you can easily modify according to your needs. So let's suppose I want to use this one and click on customize this template, so you can customize according to your choice. So here you need to select this and you can change color from here. So I'm going to change the color. If you want to change text color, you can also change that. And let's change the other things color. So let's suppose this. So here you can see that our logo is now completely transformed, and if you want you can simply share and download that. So this is a simple process and you can design anything in Canva. You simply need to come on to this page and search. If you want to create ebook cover, click on here ebook cover. So basically this is a tool which you can use to create anything related to graphic design here, and it will be easy for you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.